Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. And if you get a chance and you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon notification next to it. The subscribe button will help me out. The bell notification will let YouTube know you're a human, not a bot. It'll also notify you when I release new content. And it'll just help me out by getting my videos a little engagement, which allegedly helps them be seen by more people. But today I wanted to talk about yet another slip joint. And I think you guys might want to see this one because this has kind of got a pretty cool experience as far as I'm concerned. This is the Rough Ryder Reserve from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. And it is available in two different ways that I've seen. It is available with this denim blue micarta, stainless bolsters, brass liner, and then this Damascus Steel D2 blade. It's also available in just a regular D2. I want to say this was 79 bucks if you get this exact same pattern, same knife. In the just straight D2, it's 51 bucks, something like that. But I really like the look of this, and like I've kind of jumped down the slip joint rabbit hole trying out different types of knives. I felt like there's no reason not to get something crazy like Damascus, D2 Damascus. But anyway, this knife came perfectly centered. I like the look of the knife. It has got what I would call a heavier pull, probably about a 6, maybe a 7. It came very sharp. So far, the only slip joints I've had that didn't come sharp have been the Bokers, and that was kind of like a theme. So there'll be a couple more Bokers that we'll review. This got tape on it. I can feel the smuts. It's been cutting, guys. But yeah, it's very slicey, very dirty. Probably could use a little strop of love. But anyway, since it's a slip joint, we're not going to spend a ton of time with it, but I do want to show you guys kind of what sets the Rough Ryder Reserves apart, or at least the ones that I've got in my collection, which is this and the Hippo Toe, which is a bigger Warncliffe. I would consider this kind of a sheepsfooty design. It does have a little bit of belly. The construction is, in my opinion, top notch. This stainless or nickel, and then this brass liner. Really nice contrast there in the spring with the brass. And then it does have this treated micarta, so the micarta is not rough like the Ohio River Jack. Now, I'm not saying that's a good thing or a bad thing. It's just different. It's closer to the Boker. So let's do a couple of quick size comparisons. And since we said the Boker, that's the Boker Club, which it is much bigger than the Boker Club. That is the Ohio River Jack. It's a good bit bigger than the Ohio River Jack. And lastly, for this one, we will see it next to the QSP Hedgehog. And it's closer to the QSP Hedgehog, but still it's going to be bigger than the QSP Hedgehog. Now, this might not mean anything to you guys, but I did do a review on the Hippo Toe, and it's about the same length as the Hippo Toe, just a little bit longer. So let's get our Ben Peterson ruler, see how it fares with a bug out, to give y'all a more modern comparison. So it's about the same size as the bug out. And the Ben Peterson NAFCO titanium ruler with the angle finder that I can't read tells me this blade's 3 1/4 inches long and the handle's right at 4 inches. So that's 7 1/4. Yep, all day long. So 4-inch handle, this very neutral 3 1/4 inch blade. That's just a really nice sheepsfoot blade. Yeah, the Damascus is a little wonky. Maybe it's laser etched D2. I don't know what you'd call that. But in either case, I thought it was kind of cool. Kind of set the knife off a little bit. It's got the RRR and the pattern here, which is the Rough Ryder Reserve. Pattern 0230. D2 is a steel in China. It's got a very sturdy half stop. Closes up. It is a wider knife. It does have a lanyard hole. So if we were going to carry this per se in our traditional pocket knife sheath, we really need a medium slip for this. I said sheath, but it'd be great in this slip. But unfortunately, the Max Ace calls that slip home. So guys, that is the Rough Ryder Patriarch. I don't know if I called it the Patriarch at the beginning of this video or not, but this is the Rough Ryder Patriarch. If I called it something totally different, maybe I'll reshoot the video and it'll be the first one I've reshot. But I don't think it'll come out that way. Guys, thanks for watching it. Thanks for subscribing. Please do hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification icon. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let me know what you think about the content. I know slip joints are a little bit different jam, but since I'm going through them right now and really enjoying them, because I do find them very fidgety just from a haptic standpoint. I do find myself opening and closing them. I found myself whittling a little more, which is something that I kind of had re-sparked from a conversation I was having with Brother Pocket Metal. And I think that's what this blade's got on it, is a little bit of sap. But this is a very strong spring. Feels very stable in hand. It's a larger slip joint, as we just saw, sitting next to the bug out. I should have put it up next to the Max Ace Beetle. A little bit smaller than the Beetle. Still one of my favorite slip joints. And it's a big one, which is surprising. I wish they made a mini Beetle, a baby Beetle. But yeah, the Rough Ryder Reserve Patriarch, I think it's a winner. If I had it to do over again, I would probably get this exact same pattern in just the D2. I'm just not all that crazy about the Damascus. I'm not even sure if it is Damascus, and it doesn't really matter to me. Again, I'm just trying to experience some different slip joints and to see if I'll use them. This one also has a really nice sharpening choil, and like I said, I keep these guys tuned up on my little Work Sharp field sharpener, and I will use that edge on the fine diamond side to get it kind of honed up. Then I'll use the ceramic rod. Then I'll take it over to my regular strop. I don't use the Work Sharp strop. But that is it, guys. Appreciate you stopping by. Again, if you would, look out for the guy or gal to your left, guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Please choose debate over hate. I love you all. Peace.